I'm right here at Ngor-Okpala. So as you can see, work going on here. Work is seriously going on here. Work is seriously going on here. So as you can see, sand, chippings. If you can look down there. So as you can see, work is going on here. Serious work. So from here, let's just zoom and see what is going on here. We are here today at Ngor-Okpala. So you can see this is what going on here. Caterpillar, this is sand, this is the side. These trucks bringing in vents. And this is just look at the last massive space. So look at what is going on. Walk is here. So this is it. Massive. This is it. So this is it. So serious work going on here. Serious work going on here. Serious work going on here. This is some ministries, permanent site here in Ngor-Okpala. So work is going, as you can see. As you can see, you see work going on here. See caterpillars. We have just more than 5 caterpillars on ground. More than. As you can see, look at the tools for work. These caterpillars are tools for work. So work is going on here every day. So we have more than 10 caterpillars. More than 10. I said more than 10.
As you can see, I'm right here at Ngor-Okpala, at our home site here in Ngor-Okpala. From Zion Ministry to this place is just 5 minutes, and it took us time to get this. We are trying to avoid government layout. Are you following? So we don't have strength for drugs. Your investment is safe and secure. Give me a call for more inquiries and you'll be glad based on this investment with us.
So we are right here on our plots of land here in Ngor, 5 minutes after Ebuka Obi of Zion Ministries permanent site. So these are our clients who came down to this place. We are here. So this place now is still here to be facilitated. This is the whole 𝗡𝗶liche came with some of our clients. From here, all this place now is still here to be facilitated. Left and right, this place now. Now down. It's here to be facilitated. This is a good place to invest. Just 5 minutes. 5 minutes. I'm still going to walk down to the third road for you to see. It's 5 minutes from Ebuka Obi of Zion Ministries permanent site to this place. Just 5 minutes. 5 minutes then down to this place. It's a good place to invest your money, to put down your money, and the appreciation in a month to a year time, the appreciation will be great. I'm right here at Ngor-Okpala, live and direct. This place is our plots. It's here to be facilitated. Just like I said, we just recently secured this property. We just secured this. As you can see, these are some of our clients. It took us time to get this location because we tried as much as possible to avoid government layout. Government layout, we means the places that the government are interested in. And we have like few plots here. We have like 100 plots here. Very, very few. And you know, people are rushing it. People are rushing it. Why not take advantage of this moment, make hay while the sun shines? It's a very good place to put down your investment, and you will be glad you did such investments. I need to say this thing. This is outside of government layout or government allocated areas. This place is very genuine and very, very verified. And just like you will say, we have few plots, as you can see, and it's still yet to be facilitated. Why not? You can call me for more inquiries. But this is a place to invest your money, and it will really appreciate in a year, 6 months to a year time. So call me for more inquiries and we'll come down to this place. These are our clients. They came around to see the land. So we are heading down to that road. Should I show your face? Okay. That's our Vegans. Vegans, say hi. Yes, we are just heading to the dark road. Just coming from our house. Heading to the dark Just came here. Just like I said, this is few minutes from Ebuka Obi of Zion Ministries permanent site, and this place is not it is out of government layout, out of government layout. We ensure that we don't have spread of problem or hala. So that's why it took us time to get this place, because this place is outside of government layout here in Ngor-Okpala. So this is a good place that your investment is safe here. So you can call us and you can get more inquiries. So as you can see, this is our client. This is a third road. It is just on the third road. Just came out from our estate here on the third road. So you can see people basically everywhere. These are our clients. They are coming out. So